In previous video we saw steps to configure WhatsApp for Dynamics for Dynamics 365 Customer Insights journey. In this video, we will discuss various touchpoints to create a segment-based journey. This includes creating a message template, obtaining customer consent, and setting up a WhatsApp channel along with the flow of the journey. Before we create a segment-based journey, it's important to prepare the message that will be sent to your contacts. In this case, we'll create a feature promotion journey to promote a new product or feature to a specific group of contacts. Let's start by creating the message template that will be used in this journey. This template will ensure that your message is professional and personalized for each recipient. To create the message template, go to the WhatsApp for Dynamics configuration and open the WhatsApp Business API section. From there, head to Message Templates and click on New Template. Since we're sending this message to contacts, we'll select Contact as the record type. If you've already created a message template in Meta and it's verified, it will automatically appear here for you to use. Now, let's give this template a clear and identifiable title. I'll name it Feature Promotion, nice and simple. You'll see a preview of the message here, so you can visualize how it will look to your recipients. Once you're happy with it, click Save. Next, we'll configure the variables for this message. Variables allow you to personalize the content for each recipient, making the message feel more tailored and engaging. If the variables aren't visible right away, I suggest refreshing the page. In this example, our message has two variables. Let's configure them one by one. The first variable is for the customer's name. Since every customer will receive a message with their name, this will be a dynamic variable. To set this up, select Message Template Entity and map it to the contact record. Then, choose last name as the dynamic variable value. This ensures that the message will include the recipient's last name. Once done, save and close this configuration. The second variable is for the brand name. Since this won't change, we'll keep it as a static variable. For example, I'll add Ionogic as the brand name and save it. Now that both variables are configured, take a moment to review the entire template. Once everything looks good, click Publish, and that's it. Our feature promotion message template is now ready to use. Next, we'll create the segment-based journey and use this template to send personalized messages to a group of contacts. To do so, open Dynamics 365 Customer Insights and Journeys module and select Segments from the navigation panel on your left side. As we are sending message for feature promotion to a specific region, as an example, let's target a sample audience group as India. Here we will create and define the segment we plan to target. Here, click on New Segment. Once it loads, give your segment a name, something contextual and descriptive like Feature Promotion India. Since my data is of contacts, I'll choose that as my target audience between contact or lead. Once created, define the contact attribute you to target in this particular journey. Once selected, it's added as Group 1 if in case the journey has more than one group. For this example, I'll keep it simple. Here we'll define the business number. In this example, my target is on Indian region, so I'll define the business number with the international calling code for India. This creates the segment. So find out which default drop-down makes most sense logically. For me, it's contains, and the value would be +91. Now when we read it makes sense like business number contains +91. Now just save and select Ready to Use. Once it's ready to use, it will be indicated with a green dot beside the segment name. Our segment is ready. Now it's time to build a segment-based journey to send personalized WhatsApp messages to this targeted group. This is where all the pieces come together. Let's get started. Open the Journeys section from the left-hand navigation panel and click New Journey. While Copilot can help you create journeys faster, we'll build this one from scratch to give you a clear understanding of how everything works. Start by naming your journey something descriptive like Feature Promotion India Journey. This will help you easily identify it later, especially if you have multiple journeys running. Next, select Segment-based as the journey type. This ensures the journey targets the specific group of contacts we defined earlier. Now, let's select the segment we created, Feature Promotion India. This segment includes all contacts with Indian business phone numbers, making it perfect for our localized campaign. Depending on the nature of your journey, you can set the frequency. For this example, we'll stick to option 1, one-time send, but you can always adjust this later if needed. Next, select your time zone and specify the start date and time for the journey. This ensures the messages are sent at the right time for your audience. Now, let's add WhatsApp as the communication channel. Click the plus icon and select Other Channel, then choose the WhatsApp number we configured earlier. While you can add conditions, delays, or branching logic to make the journey more sophisticated, we'll keep it simple for this example. Next, select the message template we created earlier, our feature promotion template. This ensures the message is consistent with your campaign goals. Finally, define whether to send the message to the mobile number or business number based on the data stored in your CRM. For this example, we'll use the business number. Once everything is set up, click Save and then Publish. You'll see a green indicator once the journey is live, confirming it's active and ready to send messages. For this example, our segment had 38 contacts. As you can see, the analytics dashboard shows the current status of the journey. You can click the search icon to dive deeper into details like sent, delivered, blocked, or failed messages. Since we only had consent for 18 contacts, the messages were sent to them, while the rest were blocked due to lack of opt-in. This highlights the importance of managing customer consent to ensure your messages reach the right audience. Here's how the sent message looks to one of the contacts. As you can see, it's personalized with their name and includes the brand name we configured earlier. This level of personalization helps drive engagement and ensures your message feels relevant to the recipient. And that's it. You've successfully created a segment-based journey to send personalized WhatsApp messages to a targeted group of contacts. If you have any questions, leave a comment or contact us at crm@ionogic.com.